Hi, my name is Renee Rizzo. This will be a teacher-facing video which will guide you through some resources to teach the physics topic of light to high school students in alternate assessment settings. In this video, I will list and describe some resources on getepic.com, which allows teachers to create free accounts. Resources for high school students in alternate assessment settings for physics light. Why is light an appropriate topic to teach high school students in alternate assessment settings? There is a lesson about wave particle theory in the NYC DOE Physics High School Drive. It is Unit 5, Day 21. The focus question of this lesson is what is light? Light is a topic that can be taught across a range of levels. Light is a phenomenon students see and experience in their daily lives, which makes it truly accessible. Next Gen Learning Standard addressed. RST 7. Integrate and evaluate multiple sources of information presented in diverse formats and media, quantitative data, video, multimedia, in order to address a question or solve a problem. I chose this standard as a standard of focus because I will essentially be asking students to explore the question, what is light, through a variety of books, videos, and other multimedia. DLM Essential Element addressed. ELA EERI 11 to 12.7. Analyze information presented in different media on related topics to answer questions or solve problems. I located this essential element by exploring the Dynamic Learning Maps website at dynamiclearningmaps.org. Teachers can identify the DLM essential element that most closely connects with the Next Gen Learning Standard by locating the appropriate number next to the standard and making sure that both standards are asking students to undertake essentially the same task. I tend to focus on ELA reading for information standards rather than science standards because in alternate assessment settings, it is often more important for students to be able to engage with informational texts than it is for them to demonstrate mastery of science content. Using the focus question, what is light as a driving force, I identified some appropriate resources to explore this question on getepic.com. GetEpic.com is a website on which educators can make free accounts. GetEpic has a variety of available resources about light in different formats, some of which include quizzes created by other educators. Here's a list of traditional digital books about light on GetEpic.com. Light by Jim Whiting. Listed ages 9 through 12. Description on the website. An examination of the science behind the physical phenomenon known as light, including relevant theories and history making. Light and its effects by Jenna Winterberg. Listed ages 9 through 12. Description on the website. Learn how light is formed, how it helps us every day, and much more by diving into the pages of this engaging ebook. The Science of Light Waves by Robin Johnson. Listed ages 8 through 11. Description on the website. This engaging book describes the properties of light waves, how they move, and the way your eyes receive them. Explore Light and Optics by Anita Yasuda. Listed ages 7 through 10. Description on the website. Discover how light works, how it shapes our world, and why we depend on it for survival. Let's Investigate Light by Buffy Silverman. Listed ages 7 through 9. Description on the website. This title explains how light affects photosynthesis, how light travels, the different properties of light, and how things depend on it. Investigating Light by Sally M. Walker. Listed ages 7 through 9. Description on the website. The sun, light bulbs, and flickering fires all bring light to our world. But have you ever watched light rays moving? What are light waves by Robin Johnson? Listed ages 7 through 9. Description on the website. Discover what light waves are and where they come from. More books continued. Light for Science by Mary Shue. Listed ages 7 through 9. Description on the website. This book introduces children to light sources, light rays, and the scientific concept of reflection. Science Explorer Light by Dana Michan Rao, listed ages 7 through 12. Description on the website: using the scientific process, gain a better understanding of light. The Energy We See, a look at light by Jane Boothroyd, listed ages 7 through 10. Description on the website: you see light all around you, but where does most light come from and how does it travel? Light, Energy We Can See by Julie K. Lundgren, listed ages 5 through 7. Description on the website: simple text explains how light moves and what is happening when you see reflection or refraction. Light Helps Me See by Jennifer Boothroyd, listed ages 5 through 7. Description on the website: young readers will learn how light works and where it comes from in this accessible, photo-filled book. Focus on Light by Patricia Hutchinson, listed ages 7 through 9. Description on the website: provides readers with an engaging introduction to light. There are also Read to Me books about light on getepic.com. Read to Me books read the book aloud to students. So this is excellent for our non-readers or students who are not yet readers. I See Light by Frances Spencer, listed ages 5 through 7. Description: seeing is one of our 5 senses and we need light to see. This book explains how light shines on objects, allowing our eyes to see. Light, It Helps Us See by Alan Walker, ages 5 through 7. Description on the website: low-level book describing what light is, how objects can only be seen with light, or if they give off their own light. Light by Andrea Rivera, ages 5 through 7. Description: light is all around us. Learn how it is used in art, technology, and engineering. Light and Dark by Erica Donner, ages 5 through 7. Description on the website: light and dark helps emergent readers understand and differentiate between these opposites. There's also a video about light on getepic.com, how modern light bulbs work, ages 8 through 12. Description on the website: light bulbs used to be simple, but advances in technology have led to a wider range of bulbs. How do they all work? There are also books about experiments that can be done with light, which would be great for your hands-on, tactile, and kinesthetic learners. Fun Experiments with Light, Periscopes, Kaleidoscopes, and More by Rob Ives, ages 9 through 12. Description on the website: make a camera from cardboard, create stereographic images, and start a campfire with ice. Step-by-step experiments with light and vision, ages 9 through 12. Description: explains what light and vision are, describes the scientific method, and includes experiments testing different light and vision concepts. Super Simple Experiments with Light and Color by Paige V. Polinsky, ages 7 through 9. Description: budding scientists will learn to bend laser beams, create rainbows, and more. So this was a teacher-facing video which led you through some resources to teach the physics topic of light to high school students in alternate assessment settings. The resources from this video can be found on getepic.com. Keep in mind that although the chronological ages listed may be lower than your students, developmentally, these resources are often appropriate for our students in alternate assessment settings. So I would recommend that you explore them on your own and do not be intimidated by the ages listed. As you can see, there's a wealth of resources, so there are many directions you can go with this. Thank you for watching.